In this video, we will talk about Kotlin and how it is used to develop Android apps. So what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a modern programming language used mainly for Android development. It was created in 2011 by JetBrains, officially released in 2016, and became Google's preferred Android language in 2017. With Kotlin, you can build almost anything on Android, like apps for social media, games, office, weather, e-commerce, music, and video. Why should you choose Kotlin? Kotlin is better because it requires less code than Java, is easier to read and write, produces fewer bugs with safer code, is the official Android language, and works perfectly with modern Android development tools. Kotlin is not the only option. Java is the older Android language, while Flutter uses Dart for cross-platform apps. You don't download Kotlin separately. You use it inside Android Studio. Go to developer.android.com/studio to download Android Studio. Then, install it on your laptop, create a new file, choose Kotlin as the language, start coding, and build your first Android app. Android code samples are available for free on Android Studio. Every Android app is made of 3 parts: user interface, what you see on the screen; logic, what the app does when you click; configuration, basic app settings. For example, user interface is like the look of a car due to its design. Seats, color. Logic is like the engine of a car. It powers everything and makes it work when you drive. Manifest is like traffic rules. It controls what the car is allowed to do and how it should behave on the road. In this Kotlin program, the user enters 2 numbers. The program stores them in variables a and b, converts them to integers, and adds them together. Finally, it prints the result as the sum. For example, 3 plus 7 gives 10. If this video helped you understand the topic, comment and subscribe for more tech videos.